In this video, I will show you 2 ways people usually download music from YouTube as MP3 files, but it is important to understand the differences between them. The first and safest method is using official tools like YouTube Studio. Inside YouTube Studio, there is an audio library section where you can download music legally. This music is mainly intended for creators who want to use tracks in their YouTube videos without copyright problems, but it is still a safe and official option provided directly by YouTube. The second method, which I honestly do not recommend, is using random online converter websites that promise to convert YouTube videos into MP3 files. These types of websites are usually against YouTube policies and can also be dangerous. Many of them contain fake download buttons, aggressive pop-ups, malware, or even scam files pretending to be music downloads. Sometimes people also accidentally install viruses or browser extensions without realizing it. So even though these converter sites are popular on the internet, they are generally not the safest option if you care about your computer's security and personal data. If possible, it is always better to stick with official platforms and trusted services instead of risky converter websites. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.